Now, I would refer to one or two other aspects about the policy of the government itself in regard to certain matters. Madam, after the emergency was declared, I thought that the patriotic press of India would react to the needs of emergency, and I must say, whatever may be the position or the capital structure of the press, whatever may be the monopolistic trends in the Indian press in the beginning, though the press was comparatively free to publish anything it liked, it exercised restraint and showed a sense of responsibility. But later on, I find that government interfered with the functioning of the various papers and even directed or suggested that certain things should not be published at all, and a sort of veiled threat was issued by the Home Ministry to various papers that they should not publish certain things which are critical of government. If that is true, I feel that it is a very rude and unwarranted interference with the freedom of the press. As we condemn monopoly in the press, we likewise condemn rude interference by government in the working of the press. Therefore, if that is true, I feel that it is very responsible and it is has to be criticized, and even now I feel that the heavy hand of government is not removed. Secondly, I refer to a matter which was discussed already, and that is the patronage of the government is not extended uniformly to all papers. It is very unfortunate indeed. I hope there would not be undue patronage of undue favoritism by government, but if certain favors have to be given, they have to be given to all papers uniformly. There should be equal treatment to all, but I do not find that the government is exercising the hand of patronage uniformly and giving equal treatment to all. For instance, there are certain transactions connected with the link. As you are aware, one ministry took some space on a rental basis in the link building and paid nearly rupees 3.5 to 4 lakhs as advance rent, and it was justified on the ground that this space was necessary because there was no other space available. It was also said that the advance would be adjusted towards loans and even a rebate would be allowed in course of time, which will cover up the interest on this huge amount. May I point out that I do not find fault with the deal at all. I take it that the agreement is honorable, is good and reasonable, but it is likely to create some heartburning among the general public.